In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson R290 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is to prevent the antivirus mistake when detecting this. After you disable the antivirus for a while, you can just download the resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download the resetter, you can just right-click on the files and choose Extract All. In here, you need to open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs here. Then you can click Accept. In here, you need to directly click the particular adjustment mode button and select Watching Pad Counter in here and click OK. In here, tick on Main Pad Counter option and click Check button. After that, you can click Initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to repeat the step for resetting printer. And you can try to use another USB port available on your PC. And make sure your printer is on. After the resetter works, you can just click Finish and you can turn off your printer. You can close the resetter programs and you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.